Some logos are nothing but type. No illustrations, all just letters. It's possible to create an impactful logo that conveys a strong image with type alone, if we use our type skillfully. To get the most from our type, we need to explore our type variables. Let's start out with the case. Is our logo going to be lowercase, uppercase, title case? And if the name breaks down to different parts, perhaps camel case. Do we want to differentiate with a space, as I'm doing here, or with a tint or color, or perhaps by weight, or type style, in this case, italic? We'll want to consider the letter spacing. Do we want it normal, like so, or tightly letter spaced, or loosely letter spaced, tightly letter spaced in all caps, or loosely letter spaced in all caps? We can stack the type, and if we do that, that suggests moving to uppercase. And with every change comes the suggestion of another direction. Currently I have point type, but I can convert to area type by double-clicking on this widget and then go to the paragraph panel, and I now have this option, justify all lines, to make the lines of equal length. And if we're going to try that, then perhaps we should combine that with a different weight. I'll make the top portion very light and the bottom portion very heavy. So you see that experimenting with these type variables, we can give our logo quite a lot of personality, even staying within the confines of a single typeface family.